Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Nautilus in Splatoon 3. First, understand its unique charge mechanic. The Nautilus 47 can hold a charge, letting you move and aim before firing. This is crucial for surprising opponents and maintaining pressure. Practice holding your charge for a few seconds, then releasing it precisely. Aim for medium range, where its accuracy and damage are most effective. This weapon rewards patience and good positioning. The Nautilus 47 comes equipped with the Point Sensor sub and the Ink Storm special. Use Point Sensor to reveal enemies hiding in ink or behind cover, giving you a clear shot. Ink Storm is excellent for area denial, forcing opponents out of advantageous positions or creating pathways for your team. Combining these with your main weapon allows for powerful pushes and effective enemy displacement. Positioning is key with the Nautilus. It's a mid-range weapon, so avoid getting too close to short-range opponents. Seek out high ground to gain a vantage point, allowing you to fire down on enemies safely. Remember, you can charge your weapon while submerged in ink, then pop out to surprise foes. Use this to flank and catch enemies unaware, maximizing your damage output. For advanced play, master quick charge releases to deliver burst damage, especially against faster opponents. The Nautilus can also recharge mid-fire and hold partial charges, which is unique among splatlings. Practice charge hopping by briefly surfacing and submerging to reset your charge hold timer, allowing for extended mobility while charged. This technique keeps you agile and ready to fire. And speaking of smart moves, if you're looking to make smart financial decisions, there's a fantastic resource. Check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.